The silence of the night, it creeps, a whispering shadow where darkness weeps. Promises glimmer like stars in the sky, but chains of despair in silence they lie. Fleeting escape, a deceptive embrace. In the arms of the poison, we lose all grace. With each drop, a piece of the soul fades away. Life's vibrant colors turn muted and gray. Is a flower needing sunlight to bloom.